This is the SpeedPrint SP710 fully automated solder paste printing machine. Very simple to program. An operator or a manufacturing engineer can program a PCB in just a matter of a few minutes, entering some data about the dimensions of the PCB, and the camera system will align to specific points on the board and align them to the stencil. There is an onboard laser-guided tooling system to add supports to support the bottom side of a PCB. There is an onboard cleaning system, so based on the programmed parameters, the stencil will be cleaned. Also utilizes SPC to collect important data about the operation of that machine and allows us to review at a later time.